friends, after what feels like weeks of overcast weather, we have finally been blessed with a beautiful day. There truly is nothing like a sunny, mild day just to energize you and to make you feel excited for spring. And so today I just want to lean into those warm weather vibes to do some things around my house and outdoors as well to embrace spring and just all the new life that comes with this season. So a couple of things that I have on my agenda for today that I want to do is, of course, we'll pay a visit to Trader Joe's to pick up some lovely spring blooms so that we can just add some color to our space. Then I do also want to visit our local garden center to pick up some flowers and other bits of greenery for the outdoors as well. And then I'm also on the hunt for a beautiful wreath to go on our front door that's very seasonally inspired. So we might check out HomeGoods or Target to see if we could find one of those as well. Then I also want to stop for a refreshing smoothie, which may sound kind of random, but I feel like as the weather begins to warm up, smoothies and just lots of fresh fruits and vegetables, it's always something that I begin to crave. And of course, we'll decorate for spring around our home, adding in just a handful of seasonal touches. And then outdoors, there's some flower bed cleanup that I want to do, potentially some planting. Definitely, I want to refresh our front porch for the new season. If we have time, we might do the back porch as well. And then tonight for dinner, I recently came across a very delicious looking fresh salad recipe that I figured we could try. So that is kind of the plan for the day. Lots of exciting things, and I'm really looking forward just to embracing this new season and just all of the newness and freshness that comes with spring. So why don't we head out now? We can go get our smoothie, pick up our bits from Trader Joe's, the garden center, and then we can come back, decorate, and refresh. Could I get the So Fresh So Green, but sub out the broccoli for pineapple maybe? Cool. Thank you so much. Look at our smoothie. I decided on the So Fresh So Green, which has pineapple, spinach, kale, apple, ginger, lots of goodness in here. Super tasty too. So let's enjoy this and then head over quickly to Trader Joe's. So you're able to find some beautiful flowers and other seasonal bits from Trader Joe's. Now let's head over to the garden center to see if we can find anything for our outdoor space. Last stop, let's see if we can find a nice wreath. So back home now, let me show you some of the things that we picked up. So first at Trader Joe's, we found lots of beautiful flowers, including some ranunculus, sea lavender. I especially love these double peony tulips. So beautiful. Also picked up just a few things that we needed for tonight. A couple fun items too. Wanted to try this strawberry sparkling juice beverage. I really like a lot of Trader Joe's little sparkling beverages, so thought those would be fun to give a little try. Same thing goes for these sour gummy candies. These are peas and carrots, and it's just like a little fun sour candy. Thought it would be a fun snack. Then at HomeGoods, I found this beautiful set of 2 kitchen towels. We really needed some new kitchen towels. Our current ones have some holes, stains, all of that in them, so wanted to replace them with something fun and fresh that would work for both spring and summer. I love the oranges, the lemons, the flowers on these. And for our front porch, thought it would be nice just to replace the decorative pillow that we have out there. I loved just the colors, the design on this. Thought it would be great out there. Sorry if I'm a bit out of breath. Pregnancy just does that to you. And then as far as the wreath goes, I wasn't able to find one that I really loved. There were some ones that I liked, but nothing that was really speaking to me. But I did come across an idea when I was in HomeGoods, and that was to use an existing very neutral wreath that we already have and just add some faux florals to it. So here's the wreath in question, and it's very nice but quite neutral. There isn't a lot going on. So I popped over to Michael's and found some really pretty faux florals. We've got these little daisies, and then both of these kind of have a bit of a lavender vibe to them. I was thinking we could use these to kind of just spruce this up, make it feel fun for spring. Oh, and then at the garden center, I did get a few things as well. Got this beautiful Boston fern that's going to replace my very dead one right here. And then also 3 of these little candy tuft flowers, which I thought were just so beautiful and delicate, and I want to put them in our front flower bed. I think I want to spend some time decorating here indoors first, so let's get out the flowers, spend some time arranging those. We can put out our new kitchen towels, and then we'll tackle the outside. So we've got some beautiful empty vases here, as well as a couple of existing arrangements that I would love just to add a bit more color diversity to. They lean really heavy on the orange and yellow. I think some pops of pink in these would be stunning. Maybe we can move some of the orange flowers over to the new little arrangements that we create.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin,
So here are our finished arrangements. Lots of beautiful blooms here. Love the sea lavender in that black vase. We have some smaller posy jars with some really colorful flowers, and then I especially love these 2 larger ones. The orange we had in there was already beautiful, but I love the addition of the pops of pink, purple, and yellow. And of course, we have our tulips over here. So now let's scatter these around our home and just infuse it with some beautiful texture, warmth, and color. Then we can head outside and continue working on some projects out there.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Tomorrow, there's no it's a good day to live.
So I'm just loving all of these little pops of color in our home. I feel like they really just do add such freshness and a vibrancy to our space. But now I want to head outside, work a bit on our front porch. I want to swap out the Boston fern, the throw pillow, maybe add some touches to that wreath I showed you earlier. And then there's also just a bit of general garden cleanup I want to do. And if we have time, I also want to plant our flowers.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale.
Well, this is looking just so much better, all tidied up. I'm loving the addition of that floral pillow. We'll come back to the wreath in a bit, but first, there's a bit of garden maintenance I want to do.
Woke up lonely, and for you, there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way?
Well, I want to get dinner on soon, so I think for right now, I'm just going to swap out the wreath, and then potentially tomorrow, I'll go ahead and add the little bits to our new one. Even just this though, does look just so much better. Well, time to make some dinner, and tonight I want to try out this strawberry watermelon feta salad that I found on Pinterest. Looks so tasty and refreshing. Probably going to add a bit of chicken to it just so we can have a little extra bit of protein, but it looks so good. Lately, I've just been loving having all the fresh fruits and vegetables. So dinner ended up being delicious. Really enjoyed that recipe, and then we actually had some friends come over and spend time with us that evening. So didn't actually end up filming anything else, but the next day I did spend some time sprucing up our little wreath, adding the faux florals to it. I really love the combination of the chamomile with the lavender-like flowers. I ended up deciding to do a bit of an asymmetrical design too. So I put the flowers on one half, left the other half as it was, and really love the result. So I really hope that you enjoyed coming along with me over the past couple of days as we refreshed my home for spring. As always though, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one. Happy almost spring, friends.